Welcoming a new baby into the world is an awe-inspiring experience. It's a moment filled with joy, wonder, and a bit of nervousness as you embark on this new chapter of life. From the moment they are born, babies embark on an incredible journey of growth and development. Each day brings new discoveries and milestones, from their first smile to their first steps. As parents, you are your child's first and most important advocate. Your love, care, and attention are crucial in nurturing their growth and ensuring they reach their full potential. You play a crucial role in ensuring their healthy development by closely monitoring their progress. Keeping track of their growth, weight, and developmental milestones helps you understand their needs better. This guide provides a step-by-step approach to tracking your baby's growth from birth to 2 years old, empowering you to celebrate each milestone and address any concerns promptly. It includes tips and tools to make the process easier and more enjoyable. Remember that every child is unique and develops at their own pace. Comparing your baby to others can be tempting, but it's important to focus on their individual journey. This guide serves as a general roadmap. It provides a framework to help you understand what to expect and when, but always consider your child's unique path. Consult with your pediatrician for personalized guidance tailored to your child's individual needs. They can offer expert advice and reassurance as you navigate this exciting journey. Watching your baby grow is one of the greatest joys of parenthood. Each giggle, each new skill, and each moment of discovery is a treasure. By understanding the typical milestones and partnering with your pediatrician, you can ensure your little one thrives in their early years and beyond. Embrace this journey with love, patience, and joy. The first 3 months of your baby's life are a time of incredible transformation. This period is often referred to as the fourth trimester, because your baby is still adjusting to the world outside the womb. Your tiny newborn is rapidly adjusting to life outside the womb and developing their senses. They are learning to recognize your voice, your touch, and even your smell. During this stage, pay close attention to your baby's weight gain and feeding patterns. Regular checkups with your pediatrician are crucial to ensure your baby is growing well. Newborns typically lose a small amount of weight in the first few days, but should regain it within 2 weeks. Monitoring their weight helps track their overall health and development. Your baby will likely need to feed every 2 to 3 hours, whether you are breastfeeding or formula feeding. This frequent feeding helps them grow and develop. Look for signs that your baby is getting enough milk, such as strong sucking, swallowing sounds, and appearing content after feedings. A well-fed baby will also have regular wet and dirty diapers. In addition to physical growth, your newborn is also developing their cognitive and social-emotional skills. They are beginning to respond to your interactions, which is a crucial part of their early development. As your baby approaches 3 months old, you'll notice significant developments in their physical abilities, senses, and communication skills. They begin to explore the world with increasing curiosity. Between 3 and 6 months, most babies start rolling over, reaching for objects, and bringing their hands to their mouths. Encourage tummy time to strengthen their neck and shoulder muscles. From 6 to 12 months, your baby's mobility increases rapidly. Many babies begin to sit up independently, crawl, and even pull themselves up to a standing position. Toddling into independence, growth, and development from 1 to 2 years. The period from 1 to 2 years old is such an exciting time of exploration and increasing independence. Your baby, now a toddler, is becoming more mobile, assertive, and eager to engage with the world around them. One of the most significant milestones during this stage is walking. Most toddlers take their first steps independently between 12 and 15 months. However, some may walk earlier or later, and that is perfectly normal. As your toddler gains confidence in their walking abilities, they will start to explore their surroundings with more enthusiasm. Encourage their curiosity while providing a safe and stimulating environment for them to thrive. Partnering for healthy growth. Your pediatrician and you. Throughout your baby's first 2 years, regular pediatric checkups are crucial for monitoring their growth and development. These visits are not just routine, they are essential milestones in your child's health journey. These visits allow your pediatrician to track your child's progress, identify potential concerns early on, and provide personalized guidance. This proactive approach ensures that any developmental issues are addressed promptly. During these appointments, your pediatrician will measure your baby's weight, length, and head circumference. These measurements are critical indicators of your baby's overall health, and plot these measurements on a growth chart. This chart is a valuable tool that helps visualize your child's growth pattern over time. This chart helps visualize your child's growth pattern compared to other children of the same age and sex. It provides a clear picture of how your baby is growing. Remember, you know your child best. Your observations and insights are invaluable in ensuring your baby's health and well-being. If you have any concerns about your baby's growth or development between scheduled checkups, don't hesitate to contact your pediatrician. Open communication is key. Early intervention is key to addressing potential issues and ensuring your child's well-being. Your pediatrician is your partner in this journey, dedicated to supporting your child's healthy growth.